kahit hindi ka binigyan ng malaking pera, okay lang. Whatever you are doing right now, okay, pag ginalingan mo, kahit hindi ka binigyan ng malaking pera, okay lang. Because always remember, you are not working for your company, you're working for you. So if you're working for you, ba't mo i-hold back yung galing mo? Itodo mo na. Kasi kung hindi ka niya bayaran, fair eh. Kita niya eh. Maybe not this time, he's preparing you big time. That's why you need a certain preparation. Kasi pag ginalingan mo, kahit palit ang sweldo mo, pwede ka ma-promote. Na kung ang kumpanya wala namang balak lumaki, meron magpapirate sa'yo. Either or, ikaw ang panalo. But more than that, you have to understand, this is your preparation. Because right now, the business owners ngayon, iba ng business model. Naghahanap na sila ng business partner na magaling na empleyado na willing silang bigyan ng ownership ng company. That's what happened to me. I have 16 companies right now na hindi ako ang founder, pero may mga shares ako. Kasi bakit? Ka-promote-promote ako, ka-pirate-pirate ako, at higit sa lahat, I can be their partner because I'm so good. Because I understand all of these three is my preparation to create the life that I want.